Tamanna, what's your opinion? Should daughters be given equal share in the property of their parents or
Sir, I
not?
have no any objection because I am a lone child and I have no any siblings. So I know my mother property is also my and my father property is also my.
Oh, so you have no any tension
No,
because
sir.
you have no any brother.
Yes,
So
sir.
you are very happy.
Yes, sir, I am
okay.
very happy.
Okay. Shaista, what do you think?
I think it depends on the situation of girls. If the financial situation of girl is not that much good, she should be given. And if she is happy with her financial situation, she can leave that property.
Okay, very good. It depends on the sweet will of the daughter. Soumya, what do you think? Should daughters claim their rights in the property of their parents or not?
Yes, sir, because we must equality in our society.
So they must claim their
Yes,
rights.
sir.
Okay, they must be given equal rights. Babashir,
Yes.
what do you think? Yes.
I don't think that the daughter should be given equal share in the parental property. After the marriage, there is no need to give equal share in the parental property. So I
They
think
get their
that
share in dowry.
yes. So I
you are
think that
against-
son should be given more property than
Achha,
daughter.
okay, according to him, the amount of dowry should be adjusted. So what do you think, Lucky?
I think daughters should not give an equal property.
They should not be given equal property.
No.
Why?
This act is only for those type of girl who wants to live alone.
A daughter has a right to get their properties from their parents, but not in equal ratio. But 1/4 or 1/3 will be sufficient for them.
Today we are going to debate on a very important topic, that is, should daughters be given equal share in the property of their parents or not? First of all, I would like to know the names of all participants. What's your name?
My name is Soumya Singh.
And yours?
My name is Shaista Siddiqui.
My name is Tejashwini Singh.
Very good. Your name?
My name is Mubashir Siddiqui.
And I am Lucky Singh.
Ayush. My name is Mehboob Alam.
My name is Ashar Hussain.
Okay, so are you ready for the debate?
Yes.
The topic is very burning topic.
Yes.
So I would like to start from girls' side. What do you think, Shaista? Should girls be given equal share in the property of their parents or not? What do you think?
I think girls must be given equal share in the parental property because girls are not less than boys in any matter. So girls must be given equal rights in her parents' property.
First of all, we don't agree with you, and we live in India, and according to Indian tradition and culture, our culture not say to give equal property to daughter or girl. So this is not.
I absolutely don't agree with you because as you are telling that our culture doesn't say that girls should be given equal rights in her parents' property. I think according to the law which has been amendment in 2005, it says that the Supreme Court says that girls must be given equal share like boys in her parents' property. You are not aware with this law because it is just had amendment in 2005 according to Supreme Court. So it's India and the right is given.
But you know the mentality of Indian people. The property is the main reason behind violence. If you read newspaper, you will find that the property is main reason behind domestic violence. So if first of all the sex ratio of girl is very low, and if our parents say to give equal property to girl, then no one wants to give birth of girl.
I think you are telling opposite point. If the girls will be given equal rights as boys, then the girls will not be considered as burden. Now, why girls are considered as a burden? Because they don't have any right. In every matter, they are just considered as a burden to their parents. If they have equal rights as in property as boys, then how can we consider them as a burden? And as you are thinking that the Indian culture has a lot of bad issues also, like you can say there used to be sati system that was bad, so that is completely removed from our society. So these thinkings should also be removed from our society because these are wrong things.
Okay, so from our point of view, we think that the daughters should not be given equal rights in the parental properties because as we know that if a daughter is married, then after the marriage of a daughter, the property of husband is already with her. So if the daughter is married, then there is no need to give equal share in the parental property because the married daughter has their husband's property. So I think that if the parents give equal share in the parental property to daughters as well, then in this condition, if we will try to means compare the property, then the daughters will have more property because they will have two-sided property, but sons have only the property which have been given by their parents. So I think that in this case the daughters should not be given equal share in the parental property.
How can you say that the husband property is her wife property?
Because
The
if,
husband
if
property is
daughter is
also her-
married, if a daughter is married, then the property of husband is also means the property of husband is same as the property of her wife.
As you are saying that you will get the property of your property, the share of your brother or the property of your father, equal property of your father. After marriage, not everyone are getting not every girl is getting married in her same city, like same hometown. If the father property is in her father's house or father's village, and the girl is married to a city boy or any other state boy, then what will the girl do of that
Absolutely, the girl will keep that property for her future plans, and if she needs any financial issue, she can sell that, because you think that the boys are also selling the parents' property which are in town or which are in villages. They are moving towards city. So the scenario is absolutely same for both boys and girls.
Why parents keep the property for their children's?
Because they absolutely keep their property for their children, for their future plans, for their safe future. If they will have any financial issue in future, they can use their property.
That will not a big issue, because every parents are buying property for their children.
As you are also telling that the parents are buying their property for their children, not only for son, because children are also their daughters. Daughters are also children.
Then what will a girl do after marriage of that property?
What will the boy do? What will the boy do of
Because
that
boy
property?
will live on that.
Absolutely not. The boys are shifting towards city. They are not living in villages. You can see
But
in villages the
but-
property is there, but there is no son and family.
But in any festival, boys went to their homes, villages, and then why then the girls are not
Girls
going
can
to the-
absolutely come also. If they will have the share, they can come and they can enjoy.
Okay, who will live with father? Boys or
Son,
girls?
son.
Son.
Huh.
So son have right to take the property of father.
If the son is living with her parents, it doesn't mean that he has the right, because you can also see there are many scenarios the son is not taking care of their parents.
This is exception.
These are not the exceptions. These cases
All
are
are
increasing.
Approx 1 or 2% son do this type of accident, but not all.
But because of only this reason that the son is not living with her parents, girls should not be given the property. This is not the right thing, I think.
Not suppose after my marriage, okay, my wife have right to take my all property. Why he take property of his parents?
Why?
We live together in whole life. My wife have right to take my property.
So you given all your property to your wife?
Absolutely.
All your property?
Why not?
You are not keep 1%
My
of your
wife and
property.
me are single. Not why I not give all property to the family? I get property from my parents, okay, and I also give property to my children. My children give property to his children.
So what is the position of your wife to their property? What is the position? The parents give you property, and you give your children the property. What is the position of your wife?
First of all,
Where is she?
First of all, maximum people don't want to give property to girl and daughter, and also
What is the
maximum
mentality?
girl don't want to get property. You can do survey.
But in this generation, we want our property. We want our father's parental property.
What you do after getting property from your parents?
To sell.
We are telling that why should we not get? You are telling that the girls don't want. Absolutely, girls don't want. But if the right comes, we have the right. We can get.
I have seen that this type of accident. My grandmother get 2 bigha of land from his father, but my father never gone there for maintaining and for farming on the land. The last option is my father sold this property, and our grandparents always say don't sold your property.
But these cases are only few, that the property is just giving in generations. The son is transferring to their son and their son. But if we have any need, the girls can sell their property for their safe future plans, because girls have also the right.
I am not against, definitely a daughter must be given their rights and property, but not in equal ratio. But as I told you before, 1/4 age will be sufficient for daughters, and whatever they want to use, if they want to sell their property of 25% of whole property of the parents, so they can do anything by getting 25%. But equal share is not good for girls.
I think you can't say that the girls, who are you? How can you say that the girls should be given 25% or 50%? You are not the one to decide. She has also their family. She has also her family.
Because this will be the sufficient ratio of 25% getting the girls and 75%.
How can be sufficient? Because she doesn't need. Is the demand of
girl doesn't deserve equal ratios. That is why.
girls doesn't deserve.
Doesn't.
How can she not deserve? How can you sell that a girl?
Because they got properties from both sides, from their law parents and from their own.
First of all, I want to clarify all of you that you are telling that the girls, if girls are after married, she is the owner of her property also and her husband property also. The same scenario is also for boys. Suppose you are a boy and you are getting married to a girl, she is getting the property of her parents also, and you have also the property. So the case is same. The boys also have the same property as girls.
This become equal.
Absolutely, this is
I want to
equal.
decide हेरा फेरी जोक, एक हाथ से पैसा लिया, एक हाथ से पैसा दे दिया, तो बीच में बचा क्या? This become suitable for this point.
So the case is equal. What is the problem in this?
This is not need to give people property to girl, because your parents give you property as your brother, and your husband also give your property to
His sister.
So this become equal.
Absolutely. So equality is very important in society. There should be equality. Why should there is no equality?
Why do you get property?
Why do you get what property? If I want property,
This
why you
become
want?
equal.
So the equality is important. Don't you think equality is important?
Equality is important.
Also very important. So
Okay,
I'm
I
telling.
think that equality is also important, but I don't agree with these points that after the marriage of the daughter, means you are again and again telling that after the marriage of daughter, if we compare, then if the daughter is also given equal property, then after the marriage both the husband and wife will have the same property. But I don't think so, because if daughter is not given equal property, then after the marriage of the son also, if a son is married, then his wife will come. After the marriage of the son, he will have to handle and take care of his means his wife along with his means sons and daughter and children as well. So I think that if after the marriage a son is given more property, then he will have to take care of his entire family. So I think that there is no any need to give equal share. 1/3 or you can say that 1/4 property can be given.
Ashar, what do you think? Should daughters be given equal share in the property of their parents?
Sir, reality is this, that the 50% of amount or the property of parents, they will be given to their daughters. Because
You support it?
Yes, sir. Because the main thing that is the main also a daughter and a son. There is no any difference in the eyes of their parents. That's
And
why.
also in the eyes of law.
Yes, sir. But sir, in the 1956 the act was passed, and its amendment act also already passed in 2005. The daughters should be given the 50% of their
Equal
property
share,
and
yes.
equal share to their daughters and son. That's why we are not.
So
I am
from-
not against the property
Yes.
sharing of 1/4 or 4 and.
According to Indian law,
Yes,
Hindu
sir.
Act,
Yes, sir.
both
Because
girls.
we are in India.
So you have to follow the Indian law,
Yes,
and
sir.
according to Indian law, both are equal.
Yes, sir.
Daughters and sons. Okay.
Half of the property to sir, half of the property of parents is given in the dowry system
Yes.
from the girl side. So why should we?
Are they not getting more than boys?
Sir, literally they are getting more than boys, but they were always in a confusion that I have not got anything from my parents.
From my point of view, girls do not get their equal property.
Should not get equal property.
Yes, sir. Because parents buy the property for their children to keep that property for a long period of time, not to sell in a short period of time.
Mahbub, what's your personal opinion? Should daughters
My
be given?
personal opinion is daughter has a right to get their properties from their parents, but not in equal ratio. But 1/4 on 1/3 will be sufficient for them.
Why?
Because they got both side property from their own parents and from their
That
law
will
parents.
keep balance.
Yes.
According to you, because
Yes, sir.
parents
It-
also
it should be in
spend a
balance.
lot of money in their marriage.
Yes, sir.
So that amount should be adjusted.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, yes,
thank
yes,
you,
yes.
all of you,
Thank
for
you very
giving your
much.
personal opinion on this topic. Thank you. Very good. Very good.